Hello, hi. Namaskar, everybody. Raja Shah. Just giving few lines about my organization EPMA and seminar also. Our EPMA is actually the short form of All India Plastics Manufacturers Association, founded in 1945 and having around 2,500 members direct. Indirectly, it covers around 18 to 20,000 members. And then the basic function of this EPMA is to actually promote the plastic industry's growth, small scale industries. And then it is having actually idea that how we can now give better systems to our Indian and basically villages. So we found that considering our this being a chairman of the seminar committee, I am working there from last 18 years on the chairman. So what we decided that we give some system to the public because we know water scarcity is coming up. And then incidentally at the same time, gas and oil are also coming up as a common commodity uses for all the people. Then studying these metal pipes, we could find that the only replacement is plastic pipes. So we decided to go for this Plastics Pipe Pack seminar, where it covers total effective distribution of this our water first, then second coming to oil, gas and sewage, which means dirty things going out. And this topic is so wide that we cannot cover say within 2 sessions, say 8 lectures. So we contacted so many speakers, foreign companies also. So they said they can have a composite system that can be combined. So we arranged this seminar here in Hyderabad because Hyderabad is a totally center for the plastics pipes. We considered Reliance Industries, we considered big industries, and they suggested us to go for Hyderabad area. And I'm so glad that we are having very good response for this seminar, very good delegations. All are from plastic pipe industries, and I'm sure with the expertise, the speech and presentation from our delegates, from the speakers of our foreign countries or Indian countries, will definitely benefit our delegates, and incidentally delegates to transfer to the finished product that will go to the total Indian company.